I found this kid's electric toothbrush on Amazon. It comes in this cute box. When you open it up, everything you need is in here. It comes with 2 toothbrush heads. So they are right here. I have one on my toothbrush right now for regular and one for sensitive teeth. So you can change them out. It also comes with the handle, which is got a grip friendly on the back. It's got a cute design with a little fish with the bubbles coming out of its mouth. The 3 modes, when you turn it on, you can see they light up differently. On the little bubbles for the fish, so very cute design, easy to use. It comes with a charging station. The charging station, once it's charged, it can hold a charge up to 2 months on the same charge, so very good battery in this design. When you go to brush, you have the 2-minute stop for this toothbrush. So, you know, brushing your teeth for 2 minutes is important. So this toothbrush has that 2 minutes and it stops. It also has the 30-second reminder to switch areas. So every 30 seconds, it vibrates in the child's hand and reminds them to switch their areas of where they're brushing. My son found it very easy to use in his settings. So if he wants to come up and brush his teeth, he turns it on. It's easy to use, 3-year quality protection. It has the IPX8 advanced whole body waterproof design. So this is a design where it can go into the water and it will not ruin the toothbrush. This cute design is a must for all kids making toothbrushing fun. We found this electric toothbrush on Amazon.